Hi everyone, so we're gonna zoom and pan in this video, and we'll do this with the Bee Honeycomb movie, and I have already put it in my media pool over here, so I'm just gonna put it right next to our video there. So it's there, and they say trim the clip to 8 seconds, so I'm gonna say change clip duration. We're gonna change that to 0.8. Change, okay, the clip is 8 seconds long now. Create a zoom in effect on the honeycomb in the video, starting at 5 seconds into the video clip and finishing at the end of the clip. Okay, so our video here, seems like there's a little gap there. So I'm just gonna zoom in a bit. There we go. So about that. Okay, so perfect. Okay, so I'm gonna zoom out again. Okay, so they said at here we start at 15 seconds and 8 milliseconds. So I'm going to go to 20 seconds. I'm just looking over there. 20 seconds and 8 milliseconds. There we start. And I'm going to put in this blade edit mode. So 20 and 8. So now we have the first clip. It shouldn't have cut anything, so it should still have a smooth transition over there, which it has. And you click on the select tool, and we're going to click this video because we want to have it start zooming in from here until the end of the clip. So you just put that at the start of the video clip, right over there. Bam. And then you go in here in your inspector. So if that wasn't open, you just click on the inspector. And we're going to set the first keyframe in here. So we're saying this is the start point of the keyframe, and that's the end of the video clip. And we just put another keyframe in there. And what we're going to do now is we're going to tell this DaVinci that from here until the end of the clip we want to do something. So we're going to transform the video. So you can just click on these arrows over here to take you to the specific keyframes that you want to use. So this position, and this position, we want the position and the zooming to be there. And let's go to the last one and we say, please zoom for us. Just want to see that beautiful honeycomb. And you can also, this is a link between these, so you'll see that they need to be linked in order to keep the aspect ratio of the video the same. But you can also change what you're trying to focus on. So we just want to focus on this honeycomb over here, and I'm going to zoom in a bit more. There we go. So now we can see the honeycomb. Perfect. So let's see how that video transition is going to look like. So it starts at the 5 seconds, and now it's slowly going to zoom in on our honeycomb. Perfect. Then they say add text to the clip to display. So if they say add text, you just go to effects, you say titles, text, and we just put it there. Oh, I know why it's not supposed to snap. I'm just going to put that back there. There we go. So it's snapping. And add the text to display honeybees live in hives. Honeybees live in hives. And then they said format the text to match the previous text. So we have this text over here. And I'm just going to say Courier New, bold, color, 80, and okay. So I have everything there. So it's going to be black. This needs to be 80. Oh, if you want to see how it looks like, so just drag this on the timeline. Okay, and what else do I need? 80, bold. Oh, this needs to be Courier. Courier, new. There we go. And then they said format the text to match the previous text, place it at the top right corner of the video clip. Okay, so let's put that right there, top right, and add further text. Oh, and then they said display the text for 3 seconds. So just right click. So instead of 5 seconds, we make this 3 seconds, and we change that. And now we're going to put in another one. So I'm just going to click on it, copy, and I'm just going to paste that just after it. And we just see what they want. They create honeycomb by making wax to store their honey. Again, we just need to make this here. So this, just need to put, okay, there we go. And then they said format the text to match the previous text, place it at the bottom right corner of the video clip. Okay, so we're just going to drag that over here. So bottom right. I think we might, I think that's fine. It's been snapping there on its own to the bottom right there. I just don't like it when it's not doing exactly what I want. Because I don't want the text to be cut off. So just want to see. There we go. So I'm just changing that a little bit just so that it doesn't cut off. So I just changed the line spacing over there so it looks better. Okay, so honeybees live in hives. They create honeycombs by making wax to store their honey. And let's see, this has to be 5 seconds long. So change clip duration, and this one needs to be 5 seconds, change. Okay, so now we have the full 8 seconds video clip. First 3 is honeybees live in hives, and it zooms in, and then we have that there. Perfect. Create a 0.2 second fade out and fade in between the 2 text elements. So 0.2, 0.2. Okay. And then we just take a screenshot, paste that into our proofs, and we can save this, save as, browse, desktop, B project. This should be a PDF, activity. This is going to be 7, panning and zooming. Save. There we go. So we followed all of these instructions, and you can actually go play around with the keyframes over here. So I'm going to click on the video, and then you can actually say how much you want to zoom. We can even make it so that it zooms fully in. Only problem with too much zoom is that you get your videos to be pixelated, and we really don't want that. So don't go too crazy with that. And yeah, so panning and zooming is quite simple. Just remember the keyframes, and then you have panning and zooming. Enjoy the rest of your day.